In the previous video, we had seen different type of visualization in Power BI, but some visual are remaining. If you have not watched that video, then click in the above link. In this video, we will cover map chart. The map chart in Power BI is a powerful data visualization tool that helps you to represent data geographically on a map. It allows you to create interactive and engaging maps that display data in a visually appealing and easy to understand way. To create a map chart in Power BI, you need to have geographical data such as country, state, city, zip code, or latitude and longitude values. As we can see in our data set, we have a country information, so the Power BI understand it. Once you have your data in Power BI, you can create a map chart by selecting the map visualization type from the visualizations pane. To add the map visualization pane in the canvas, click here. Once the map is added, we will click on country. As you can see, the country information is added in the map. If we want to see the sales data, we will drag the sales data and drop it to the bubble. The larger the bubble size, the more is the sale. As you can see from the map, USA had the maximum sale, so the bubble size is larger, and Mexico has the lowest sale, so the bubble size is the smallest. If you want to display the country name, we need to click on the Format Visual as shown in the screen, then go to Visual and from the below enable the category label from off to on. Now in the screen we can see the country name is visible. We will cover in detail about the map in our upcoming videos. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in our next video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and share your feedbacks in the comment section below.